Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how you can set up your Redbubble shop in 2025. So whether you are a designer or just someone who is getting started with print on demand, this is the easiest way to launch your store in minutes. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for redbubble.com. Once you are on Redbubble, you need to click on the sign up option in the top right hand corner. You need to choose your artist sign up profile and provide your email address, create a username and your password. Now, once it is confirmed successfully, you need to log in into your account, and this time you will see your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. So once you click on profile icon and go to your account settings, you need to set up your public profile. That includes selecting your avatar, providing your cover photo, and providing a short bio. So this actually builds trust with the buyers, and it also gives you your account and your shop a professional look. Afterwards, click on the edit payment details option, and you need to provide your basic payment details, like how do you want to get the payment. You can get the payment via PayPal, Payoneer, and with the help of the bank account. You need to also complete your tax info selection over here, so in order to eligible for the payouts. So once this step is done, click on the dashboard option, and here you need to just click on the add new work option in the top right hand corner. Over here, if you already have a design, you need to simply upload it from here. Click on the upload option and you will come on this page. Over here, you need to provide the title to your design like this. After doing so, you will have to select the tags here, and you need to give the description. So once this step is done, Redbubble will automatically place your artwork on over 70 plus products like t-shirt, stickers, mugs and more, as you can see over here. So you need to click on the enabled option right next to the one that you want to enable. If you want to disable any of these, you can definitely select that work. Once you are done, simply just scroll down, agree to the terms and condition, provide these details and click on the save work option. Now it is going to take some time and it will just process, and now your Redbubble shop is officially open. In order to take a look at your Redbubble shop, you need to just click on your profile icon, then click on the manage portfolio option, and your shop will look something like this. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.